Well, here we are 5 days later. We're not done yet. It'll still be another day or two, I think. But so far, we have installed a drain system, installed new load-bearing beams, footings, we still got to douche out all that wall, but got this one done over there. I'd add another load-bearing beam there, and then a final load-bearing beam there. Five days. Minimum day being 12 hours. Longest days being about 16, 17 hours. We're finally getting to the end of the race here. A lot of work, man. A lot of fucking work. Especially for not much headroom.